Maruti Suzuki has just unveiled the new Ciaz. The starting price is rupees 8.19 lakh, and they have come with a new 1.5 liter K15B petrol smart hybrid engine. Now this replaces the earlier 1.4 liter petrol engine. The diesel smart hybrid remains the same. The prices start from 8.19 lakh and goes up all the way to 10.97 lakh for the Alpha diesel smart hybrid. Now it's got a few changes apart from the engine. That is, on the exterior you can see that it has a sharp front fascia. We'll just show that to you. It's got a sharp front fascia with new grille and bumper, and these LED headlamps are projector auto headlamps with DRLs. Then you have the LED fog lamps and chrome garnish. Then at the rear we have LED combination lamps, which we'll just show. Then there is, of course, not to be missed, is the elegant chrome bezels on front and rear fascia. The wheels are 16-inch precision cut alloy wheels in dual tone metallic pebble gray finish. The interiors you can see are also now smart, but before that let's see the rear. These have got smart rear tail lamps, and now if you take a look at the interiors, that too has got quite sophisticated. In fact, there is a new birch blonde wood grain accents with sophisticated low gloss finish, and of course there are a lot of satin chrome highlights on the dashboard and door trims. There's a new 4.2-inch multi-information color TFT display. Then of course there is eco illumination in the speedometer, which all will come live when we drive the vehicle and give a final report sometime early on the 23rd of this month. It's a new Ciaz, and there are a lot of exciting features. So till the next time, bye-bye. Wait for our drive report at Motown India. This is P. Tharian and Afsar Beg signing off from Bengaluru.